Hi viewers, in this channel we have to learn about some important properties for maths. Please follow our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Hi viewers, in this course also we learn about complex numbers and coordinate equation topic. This topic varies some marks. In this we learn about the properties of modulus. Modulus is z equal to a plus ib, then mod z equal to square root of a square plus b square. Then modulus of z1. Now to take two numbers. Let z1, z2 belongs to complex number c. Then mod z1 into z2 equal to mod z1 into mod z2. And mod z1 by z2 equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Here z2 not equal to 0. And then mod z equal to mod minus z equal to z conjugate equal to modulus of minus z conjugate. And z into z bar equal to and mod z power n equal to mod z whole power n. Please note